My name is Evelyn Manley. I'm a public health nurse. I work for the state of Tennessee at the Ray County Department of Health. I was 22 weeks pregnant when I found out. He had some suspicious ultrasounds and some suspicious blood tests, so they sent me to a specialist, and they did an amniocentesis and confirmed that he had Down syndrome. Yay, he says. And we worked through that, accepted it, and then I think he was about 2 and 3 or 4 months when I first suspected that he had autism. So we had him evaluated at Vanderbilt, and within the first 30 minutes, the psychologists all agreed that he was autistic. So the youngest they ever diagnosed with Down syndrome and autism. When you have a child with special needs, you'll probably always have to push a little bit to make sure those needs are met. There have been difficulties. There's geographic difficulties, there are financial difficulties, there are difficulties just with individuals. But what we're getting is, great. They go into the community with us, they go to the school, so they see him in all these different settings and give great suggestions about how to manage his behaviors. So it could be better, but it could be a lot worse. Having Down syndrome, people think that means that you're happy all the time and that you smile all the time and you're always hugging on people. And I think that's true for a lot of people with Down syndrome, but not for my son, because he also has autism. He is socially kind of withdrawn, but since he started ABA, he has changed. And one of the best memories I have is the first day that he came up to me and hugged me. The first time that he kissed me, he was 3 years old. So, yeah, that was a wonderful day. Our pediatrician, she gave us the name of the Tennessee Justice Center and the website, and I called up there and spoke with Katie. And I think the best thing about working with them is knowing that these are people who are doing this out of the kindness of their hearts. Attorneys who probably could be making money doing something else, but instead took their time to help us. They helped us in a really hard time when I wouldn't have been able to afford an attorney. They were a great advocate for my son and for our family. So, yes, I'm very grateful that they were there to help when we needed them.